Third-party IPs or legacy code can be a source of noise in the linting results. Legacy code is largely irrelevant from linting viewpoint, and third-party IPs are out of your control. For such situations, you can use pre-waivers to selectively ignore failures. Pre-waivers are applied upfront, and Verissimo entirely skips the analysis of pre-waived code. Not only irrelevant failures are filtered out, but linting also runs faster. Let's take this example of a lint run using the built-in Verissimo basic rule set. Suppose we're trying to focus on the subsystem code, while all the interface agents are third-party IPs from an external vendor or from a different internal team. Let's add to the waivers XML file a pre-waiver, which excludes everything else except the subsystem code. This file can also be created using the graphical interface provided by the DVT Eclipse IDE. Now let's run linting again with the new waivers. Notice how the number of failures dropped significantly, allowing us to focus on the relevant code. You can also note here the linting time improvement.